Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Madeleine is a very, traditional little cake that we do in France. But lately I keep seeing people dipping them in chocolates and then put them back into the mold. So then suddenly they have another dimension, a beautiful decoration. So I want to show you how to do that. So we have for the Madeleine 3 eggs. We have 130 grams of sugar, 140 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 110 grams of butter, and a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to start with the butter into the mixer. Okay, so butter, sugar, butter, sugar. You can add a pinch of salt, of course. It's a small recipe. Then baking powder, I'm going to mix it with the flour. And when my butter and sugar start to get mixed well together, I'm going to start to add my eggs. It's always safer, and I don't always do that, it's always safer to break your egg into a different bowl, so if a piece of the shell goes, it doesn't go into your mixer. So it's a good habit. And again, I don't always do it. So when the eggs are cold like they are, I like to use my torch to warm up the butter a little bit. Okay, now the butter comes together. Perfect. 2 eggs and 3 eggs. And the last thing that I need to mix is the flour and the baking powder. So of course you can always flavor with a little bit of lemon, a little bit of rum. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. And the vanilla is the traditional Madeleine. So I will recommend that you make the mixture the day before, or at least a couple hours before, and let it cool down into the refrigerator. You want a cold batter in the oven. That's what's going to make the little bump of the Madeleine. Okay, so you mix together. Use the paddle to scrape the side. Okay. Done. We have a beautiful smooth mixture. I'm going to put that into a bowl and into the refrigerator for at least a couple hours. That's very important. Okay, so my mixture stays in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I scoop it into a piping bag, and I'm going to put that into my mold. As you can see, it's cold. Okay, then I'm going to put that in the oven. So I put them at 410 and I lower it to 380. So I just take my Madeleine out of the oven, and you can see here the little bump on top. And this bump is because the mixture was very cold and the oven was very hot. So then the batter come up like that. So this is the signature shape of the Madeleine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them on the table, and I'm going to use a film on top. I don't want them to lose their moisture. And during this time, just like that, during this time, I'm going to temper the chocolates, and I'm going to put a little chocolate into the mold and press the Madeleine. And then now we're going to have a nice chocolate shell. Okay, so I put some tempered chocolates into a pepper cone. You can use a spoon, you know, if you don't know how to make the pepper cones. It's just a little bit easier for me to work like that. Then what I want to do is put a little bit of the chocolates inside the mold, and I'm going to try that. Yeah, that works. So just, and then you press until the chocolate comes to the side of the Madeleine. And if you use different chocolates, white, milk, and even color chocolates, it's beautiful when you do a tray or a presentation. Now you have different color Madeleine, it's gorgeous. And you can also flavor the Madeleine with pistachio, with praline, hazelnuts, almonds, you know, all kind of things. So this is something that you can play with a lot of different flavor and a lot of different presentation. So I'm going to put them into the fridge for a few minutes, and then I will unmold them and show you what I get. This one will have chocolate on both sides. Okay, to the fridge for a little bit. So my Madeleine came out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to put them like that, side to side into my plate. Okay, voila, mini Madeleine with chocolate shell. And the good thing is the chocolate shell brings a little bit of crunchiness when you eat them. They are already delicious and buttery and sweet and vanilla, but with the chocolate, that gives them another dimension. Bon appétit.